Hello and welcome to Excel tutorial. In this video, I'm going to talk about two statistical tools, measure of central tendency and variability, and how to measure them using Microsoft Excel. The video will be grouped into two parts. Part 1 will discuss how to calculate the mean, median, and mode of a given dataset. And Part 2 will discuss how to calculate the variance and standard deviation of the same given datasets. Let's start with the mean. Mean is used to check the average of a given set of numerical values. And to calculate mean using Excel, we type equal sign followed by average. Select average and select our given dataset. Close the bracket and press enter. Then our mean is 62. We can also calculate this. We can also check this using the second method, which is equal sign. We type average, click on the function icon and select our data set, the range of our data set, and hit OK. Here again, our mean is 62. Next is median. Median is used to check the middle value of a dataset when arranged in an ascending order. To calculate our median, we type equal sign, type median, and select the range of our data, close the bracket, and hit enter. Our median is 58. Next is the mode. Mode is used to check the number with the highest occurring frequency. To calculate that, we type equal sign, we type mode, and select mode.single, and select our dataset, close the bracket, hit enter, and we have our mode as 25. Welcome to part 2 of the video. Now let's check the variance and standard deviation of our datasets. To calculate the variance, we type in equal sign, type variance, and select var.p. If our dataset represents an entire population, P stands for population. So we select var.p if the dataset represents the entire population, and we hit our enter key. But if our dataset represents a sample of a large population, we may want to select var.s, which stands for sample. Let's select our dataset and hit enter, and here we can see the difference. We have 699.71. Now, to check the standard deviation of our data, we type equal sign, we start std ev.p if our dataset again represents an entire population. And we select the data range, close the bracket, and hit our enter key. We have 25.65 as our standard deviation. But if our given dataset is only a sample of a larger population, we may want to type and select stdev.s. S represents sample. Then we'll select our given dataset, close the bracket, and hit our enter key, and we have 26.45 as our standard deviation. So this is how to calculate mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and variance of a given dataset using Microsoft Excel. And do not forget to like and share the videos with your friends. Also subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified whenever a video is posted.